So here you will get all the information about extra activity, which is part of subject stats 2. Okay, and you're gonna get bonus marks. So let's start with the marks. Okay, if you've not seen the grading document, extra activities can give you extra 10 marks. Okay, above 100. Like if you are not gonna do this, you have a chance that you will score 100. But if you will do this, then it is gonna really help improving your score, and also you will be familiar with Google Docs, sites, and spreadsheets also. Okay. So basically, total marks as a subject, if I tell you, so like 10 marks extra activity, okay, and if you do the graded assignments well, 10 marks are really really like free. 10 marks is well, okay. So 20 and 5 marks will be for the practice assignment bonus, okay. Like if you will attempt all the assignments, practice assignments, mocks, okay, so you will get 5 marks. So basically, the best case scenario, if you follow all the rules and do all the things, okay, you're gonna get 25 marks bonus only, okay, like fixed, okay. So like it is really really helpful, and let's start. Let me share my screen, and I will give you introduction one by one, okay, to all the things, okay. And first, please let me complete my side, okay. And after I complete all things properly, okay, I will give you guys a chance to ask some questions, okay. So marks, if I repeat again, it is basically 10 marks for extra activity, 5 marks for practice assignment bonuses, and like 10 marks there are like assignment average. If you do really really well in grade assignment, so like you have total 20 marks, 25 marks actually, as a bonus marks, okay. So yes, so let's start. So in your statistics page, you have this section called extra activity, right? And you have here submission and all. So basically, you have to submit the tasks as you have provided, and in the submit link, like you will have the submit link. There is a space to submit the link. As I have submitted, I don't have that option. Okay, so you guys have to submit that first of all. Okay, and you guys have to submit the link, and there are rules. Once you submit the link of your site space, I will just I am just giving you an overview how to do things. We will do that, but just an overview. After that, your students, your peers, your batchmates, your stats 2 batchmates are gonna review your site, your activity, your particular activity which you're gonna do in this section, okay. And you will do this, and minimum of 3 students should review, okay, in order to get your total as grade, okay. So like you will have to review minimum of 3, and you have to get minimum of 3 reviews. So it is random, okay. Once the submission gets over, just a review thing will appear like this, and you have to just go to this review section and just tap on start reviewing, and you have to review students, okay. So like basically you will given a link, and you have to open that link and open that site, and you have to review, okay. So basically 3 things will happen for extra activity. You will have to submit the link, you will have to review, okay, and review as the options provided, okay. So there will be drop down options like for every questions, okay. I will explain that. So you will have 6 activities, okay, and if you will do more than 75%, like if you will do more than 4 activities, you are gonna get 7.5 marks, okay, and after that it will be dependent on after rest of the 2.5 marks. will depend on your quality of your Google site. Okay, so I am talking about Google site. So let me open. Okay, so you will go to Chrome. You will search Google sites. Okay, here's the page. As sir explained, here is the page, and you have to log in. Okay, so basically, what does activity one say? Activity one says, let me open it. Basically, you have to create your student portfolio, and you have to create your own section of statistics 2. Here it is, as one of the pages inside it, and provide a short and relevant description about the course in this page. Your activity one is this. And basically, if I'm right, you have week one and week two extracted deadlines on same on 4th of October, right? So basically, activity one is this: create a Google site as a student portfolio with statistics 2 as one of the pages inside it. Provide a short and relevant description about the course in this page. Okay. So basically, I opened the site. We are gonna do from scratch. Okay. I will just do the basic things, and I will show mine also. Okay. So here is the page. You can see. Okay. So here is the option student portfolio. You have to tap on this. Okay, so it will make you separate student portfolio page like this. Okay, here is the interface. You can edit. Many students are familiar with this. Some are familiar with this, some are not. So this is the page. Okay, and you can edit as you want. Okay, so basically there is a text, images, drive. You have to, if you want to upload drive, you have content blocks options. Okay, so okay, so first of all, let me complete activity one. Okay, so basically, let me change my name here, session. So I will. Okay, and your portfolio should look like this at the beginning. As activity one says, you have to make your student portfolio. Okay, so like this is my learning journey. So I will say Darshan's learning journey. Okay, and you have to put some things here, like about yourself. Okay, so let me some add some text. Like you can edit here about me. You can edit all the things if you don't know. Okay, so like basically you can change this image also by going in this image. Select. Google sites have that also. If you want to upload yours, you can upload yours. Okay, so like there are many options. Okay, if you want to search, if you can search. If you want to upload from the Google Drive, you can upload from the Google Drive. Basically, I like this one. Okay, so I'll select. So here is the nice background. Okay, and here is your text. And like this is too much simple. Let me change font. Okay, here is my font. Okay, so basic things. Okay, so like you have the spaces, and if you want to add spaces, I will tell you how to add it. If you want to remove, you can just basically delete, and this space will be removed. Okay, so about me, let's add some things. Like I am telling this, this is a compulsory thing you have to do. Okay, like you have to make this page home page. You have to just give your brief intro. So okay, so my name is Kanatra Darshan. Okay, so I'm from Rajkot, Gujarat. Okay, and I am in diploma level, etc. Okay, just edit here and change fonts and play with all the things given here. Okay, and like give your achievements, give your strengths, give your goals in this. Okay, this is the first part you have to do basically. Okay, so they will tell you what, create a Google site as a student portfolio, which ties to as one of the pages. Okay, so we will do this thing now. So basically, you have to do this thing. First of all, you have to do this. Just go to sites, login. Student portfolio option is there. Template is there ready. You just have to edit it. Okay. So like just play with this, and if you want to add some text here, so you can add text here. Suppose I will double tap here. So if you want to add something, okay. If you want to add something, if you want to remove something, so there is a option here also. There are many options here also, but you can just double tap here. and this will appear. Okay, this is for basically M, this is for drive, this is for images, this is for text. If I will tap in this TT, okay, I will get a text box here. Okay, basically from this also you can get. Okay, so like anywhere you can put a text box and you can play with it. Okay, however you like. Okay, so we are going to do the things, how to publish, how to give access, all the things we will do. Okay, so just this is a basic page. Okay, so what they are asking, so just they're saying that with statistics 2 page inside it. Okay, so like there is no space here yet. There will be your introduction, your achievements, goals. So basically there is an option of pages here. Okay, so like you will just do one thing. Once you will make na, just home page उसको ऐसे ही रहने देना. Okay, let it stay like that. Just remove other ones. Okay, like they are unnecessary, like classes section and all, but we don't want this and we don't need this. So basically just go to pages and just remove this. It will come by default. Okay, it will come by default, but you can just remove this extra pages, like suppose it is math. Okay, and this. Okay, just your home page and you. Okay, should be there. Okay, and it will look clean. Otherwise, if you will not remove from Yana as I removed, it will gonna make a mess after you will create some more extra activity pages. Okay, so yes, it is the home page. Okay, first step. So let me show my. Okay, so this is my home page. Okay, so the sun, my learning journey, my name, date of birth. I was in foundation level in last term. This is the last term. This is of last terms. Okay. Here are some of my uh, achievements, motivation. You can customize as you want, right? You can customize as you want, and like I have done this, I will put my image in this. Okay, your site will look like this basically. Okay, here is the thing. Here is the thing I'm editing, and it should look something like this. Okay, so like there is a home page here. Okay, and I will open this one also. Okay, so you'll get an idea like हमने क्या किया और हम क्या देख रहे हैं. It is thus that I have invested some time in it, and if you will do something really good, it can look more good than me also. Like I will put some text and one photo only. Okay, you can play with this. Okay, and like get in touch and something here you can edit. Okay, so first step is done. So second step is statistics page. Okay, so let's add some page here, some pages here. Maybe duplicate page. No, I want to add sub page. Okay, I don't want two home pages. Okay, so I will add a sub page, and I will give this title stats 2. Okay, done. And it is a sub page now. You can access it from here also. Home. Okay, there's home. There is stats, and like you can search from here also. Okay, so stats 2, the pages you will have to insert, it can be happen in this pages section. Okay, so like pages section you will add some pages and remove some pages as I said, to make it clean. Okay, to make it look clean. So stats 2 pages here. Okay, and you will have to add some text here. So like basically uh, statistics. What they've asked is just make a statistics 2 page and provide a short and relevant description about the course. Okay. So statistics 2 is a subject of foundation level. Okay. And faculty is Professor Andrew Thangaraj. Okay, so like you can put something like this, and if you want to add some images, like suppose you want to add some statistical graphs or something like you want to add some interesting text or something, you can add just text box here and you can do this. Okay. And if you want to add some images, you can always add some images from here also. Okay. Select images and you will have to just drag and drop. Okay. So okay, so here is the images section, and you will have to just upload this. And once you will just put some statistics to like what are you gonna study. So like it will be probabilities, uh, too many distributions. Okay. So after that you're gonna study mm, parameter estimation. Okay. So these are the things you are gonna study, and you will just write it here. Okay, uh, in the way you want. You can just add some information about statistics subject here. After that, you can also add some photos here. Okay, try to make it look attractive. At least some things to make it look presentable. Okay, so like your friends, your batchmates are gonna give you reviews. Okay, so like at least make it enough to just give marks. Okay, just full marks. वो देखते ही वह बोलने चाहिए कि भाई नहीं इतना तो किया है कि हम अच्छे से मार्क्स दे सकें, और बहुत अच्छा किया है तो चेरी ऑन द टॉप. ओके, इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग टाइम एंड लाइक you like this thing and you want to invest more time and make it look really good, it is also good, but at least इतना तो कर लो कि रिव्यूज अच्छे से हो जाए. ओके, so basically this is the thing you have to do in next activity 1. So extractive one is done here. Okay. So like give some stats to introduction and give some information about subject and you are done. And you have to, okay, so after the first thing is done, let me show you how to publish it. Okay. So this is my page, and my first activity was this. And if you will notice now, in submit section, there is a line. Okay, it is telling that you will have to post your portfolio, like your site link. Okay, you have to submit your site's link. Okay, so first step to uh, make your site publish. Okay, if you will publish your site others can see it. Otherwise if you will just copy this link na, it will open like this editor. Okay, in this editor form, basically जो भी open करेगा वो देख सकेगा आपकी site. So we don't want it like this. We want it like this. Okay, like see, if I will copy this link now. So basically, whoever will open that link, he or she will have access to edit this. So basically, I will publish it. So it will look like this. No one can edit it, and editor section is gone. Okay, and I'm gonna show you this, but just a second. Okay, so we have to publish it. Okay, so first of all, once you make your portfolio, once you make the stats section, as I said, the stats 2 section is here. Okay, and basically you can make it look like this, something like this. Okay, so here is the statistics 2. Statistics and probability studies provide a framework to understand and analyze data, make informed predictions, assess risks, and test hypotheses in various fields like science, economics, and social science. Okay. Professor Andrew Tangaraj is faculty of this subject, and here is a little introduction of him. Okay. So like if you will do these things only, like till this line, okay, you will get full marks. You should get full marks. Okay, all the students, if things are enough and things are as said in the questions, please do not cut marks for others. Okay, like just give full marks. Okay, so here's the thing, and you have to publish it basically. So in order to publish, You have to just tap on this publish. This will appear. Okay. And web address will, like, I have to just give a name. So I will give name version 1. Okay, it is available. So I will give some name. So it will give my site a name. Okay, like dhstudy.iitm.ac.in slash version 1. Okay, so once you will publish it, you will get this link. This link is important. Okay, like you have to submit this link, which you will get here. Okay, so I'm copying this, and you have to who can view my site, guys. This is very, very, very important. Okay, uh, here you can manage the access of the site. Okay, so basically the thing is, generally for the sites it is for IIT Madras, but sometimes it is for only like restricted access. Okay, only restricted access, only you can access it. So basically you have to publish it and you have to manage this access. Okay, and just make sure that published section there is IIT Madras. Okay, not restricted, not public, not removing, just Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Okay, so anyone with the email ID, okay, student email ID can open this. I will tap on done and I will publish it. So once, okay, your site is has been published successfully. So I can copy my site link, which I can paste my site link here, which I copied before, and boom. Okay. So like this is the site. This is my home page. This is stats page. Okay. So as I copied, the same way you have to copy. Okay, and you have to paste in Vcon section. So here's the thing, week one activity is over. Okay, and if you forgot to just manage access from publish button, here is the share with others. Same will be here, and you can just give manage access from here. Just make sure it is IIT Madras. Okay, this is the most important thing because sometimes you will forget to give access, and people will try to open your page. It is like very, very, very good, exceptional, but they can't open your page. They will basically give you C. So just make sure that you have this access thing done. Okay, so basically this is my site, and week one activity is done. So here you will submit, and this type of interface will come, and you have to review here. As I said, you have to review minimum of 3. Okay, 75% of marks comes from reviews. If you will not review, you are not gonna get marks. If others will not review, just it will be basically reviewed by TAs or some instructors or something, but most of the times it gets reviewed. Okay, and you have to review minimum of 3. You can review 10, but you have to review minimum of 3. Okay, and you can see here the responses. It will be basically drop down menu to select the options. Okay, it will be drop down menu, like it will say it is the site link available. Okay, is stats to section is available. Okay, so like there were 2 drop down menus in the first activity. There will be 2 drop down menus actually. They don't change it much. So basically, Google site and stats 2 page. There will be drop down options. Site is available, profile is available or not, and stats 2 page available or not. Okay. So basically, if you will select one option from the drop down menu, you have to give the reason. Okay, you have to give a particular reason to select that particular question. So you have to put some comments on this. It is compulsory. Okay, and you have to just put comment, and you can see that. Okay, like 100 and 100. Like if you will select all the options correctly, like site is available and stats 2 page is available, and made all the things. So you will get basically 100 marks. And like you can see here, I received two reviews and I submitted 10 reviews. Okay, so you will get your grades here from here. Okay, so yeah, and okay, so now let's jump on the second activity. So okay, I can't see this. Basically, I have to open this. So hope you guys understood all the things related extra activity one. Okay, just give some reactions if you understood all the things properly. I will take your questions, but after some time. Okay, if possible. If possible, I will try to just explain all the things in detail. Okay, so just great to know that you guys understood it well. And let me jump on the extra activity two. So extra activity two is collect data from an interesting source and populate a Google spreadsheet. The data should have minimum of 100 rows and 5 columns. Describe the rows and columns of this data in your own words and describe something interesting that you learned, observed from this data. Okay. So let's just make extra activity one section. Like, see, this is the home page. Okay. This is the stats 2 page. It is the sub page. And I will make like I don't want to make duplicate of this. Like basically copy of stats 2. It will look like this. But I want to make a section. Okay, in stats 2, I want to make a sub page of this. So add sub page again, and it will be extra activity one. Done, and it will be in the stats 2 section, and someone who will access the things with here, stats 2 and extra activity one here. Okay, and like it is for extra activity 2 because extra activity 1 is obviously uh, make this sections. Okay, and if you want you can make it here also, stats 2 be under the stats 2 section, because for extra activity 2 both the deadlines are together. So basically uh, you have to put your stats 2 link there, and if you don't want to make a specific section, if you think that many people will do not check properly, it happens. Okay, like if you made sections, separate sections, but sometimes people just ignore it and just give zero. So basically you can do here also, like you can give the heading, you can give extra size, center, extra activity. Okay, basically do this here, and extra activity 2 tells what sheet data and some analysis. Okay, and data should have minimum 100 rows and 5 columns, and describe the rows and columns of the data in your own words. So basically I will do what, I will tell you all the things, how to submit, how to attach, how to do all the things, and I will show analysis in my side. Okay, so first of all, okay, uh, what are we gonna use to do this activity? Because they told that Google spreadsheet. Okay, so basically you have to do Google Sheets, and just go here and go to Sheets, and I will open simply blank sheet. Done. This is the sheet. Okay, कभी तो देखा होगा ये, कहीं तो देखा होगा. Okay? कभी ना कहीं तो आपने देखा ही होगा ये चीज. So like it is सस्ता एक्सेल, but ये भी बहुत सही है, and it is very good, and you can do all the things here. So basically ITM, if you don't know, they insist to use Google Sheets. because it is free for all, and like version is same for all. So basically किसी को कोई problem होनी नहीं चाहिए. So like cells and like I don't have to do these things now, like how to edit and what to edit. It is basically Google spreadsheet. All of the things are here. But if you don't know, like some things are here because like file section, view, insert, format, data tools, extensions, and help. Okay. So basically, you have to make a Google sheet, and main question is the data. Okay. Sorry.
दरअसल
Let's continue.
यप यप ऑडियो कट हो गया था आपका.
नहीं, I muted
ओके.
for a while. Uh, so let's continue. So the question is sheets. Okay. So data minimum of 100 rows and 5 columns. Okay. तो कहाँ से लाएंगे डेटा? डेटा कहाँ से आएगा? मैन्युअली इंसर्ट करेंगे एक एक्सेल को 100 रोज 5 कॉलम्स, या फिर लाएंगे कहाँ से? तो फिर बेसिकली just type in here, okay, and let me give you a website called Kaggle, okay, and Kaggle is there, and it is the website here, and you can basically data sets here, and you can download any data from here, okay, download it in CSV file, so you can open, okay, and basically the data will be here, data sets, and you can download any data from here, and once you will download, it will be in your download section, okay, and let me open some data. So it is, you have to find something. Okay, data is not mentioned. Okay, basically data are too big. You will not have to worry about this 100 those 5 columns things in Kaggle. But there is a slight chance that maybe columns are not enough. Okay, so you just have to trial and error the things. Okay, so like I will download it from here, and it is getting downloaded, and I will have to sign in and download it. Okay, and after that you can just open it from here. Okay? So like files, and you have to open. Okay, so basically you can open it from here. Okay, so basically you can drag and drop and downloads. So let me open my data which I've downloaded from Kaggle only. So this is my data. Once you will open, it will appear like this, and you can play with this thing. Okay, and this is the data, and this is the spreadsheet link. Okay, let me copy the link, and yes. So let's come back to sites. Extra activity 2, what it says, just basically attach a spreadsheet here, okay, and put some conclusions here, okay. So let me do one thing. Uh, how to add? Okay, so you can basically add from here. Okay, emd is an option you can add. Basically, I will double tap. I will tap on emd. Okay, and it is saying that enter URL. So I'm copying the URL from here, and I will just paste it from here, and it will get some time to load and insert. Boom. Okay. So 50% of marks is this. Is spreadsheet available? Okay. And is spreadsheet enough? It is 100 rows and 5 columns, and it is available, and you can open it. Okay, first of all, access you will have to give for the same what you have done with this sites, you have to do with sheets. Okay, so basically you can see I can insert here. So let me insert one more time. Just tap on M and copy the URL, insert, site is here. Okay, sheet is here. So if you will not give access, no, it will happen like so. For Google Sheets, basically, for Google Sheets, you will have to uh, give access from here, share. Okay, so like it is already given to IIT Madras, but you will have it will be restricted, and you will have to change this from like restricted to IIT Madras. So done. Okay, and you have to give access from here. Okay, and like guys, 40% of the time it always happens. Okay, कि भाई किसी ने एक्सेस नहीं दिया है और लिंक डाल दिया कि भाई चेक करो और वो एक्सेस नहीं देना चाहते. Okay, the thing is it is very simple, but you will have to just do it once, so कुछ problem नहीं हो, and just change this from here and done. Okay, so let me show once if I will restrict this, what will happen. Done. Okay, so I'll restrict it, and let me go to this site. Let me refresh it once. So as you can see here, okay, this is the thing that I uploaded. So let me go in this section. That's two. As I'm editing, it will show, but let me open it. The site, published site. So I can open, okay, but only I can open. Okay, if you will try to open, it will not open. Like it will say like access not given and something like this. And questions are based on that. Basically, questions are based on that कि भाई शीट्स अवेलेबल है कि नहीं, शीट का एक्सेस दिया हुआ है कि नहीं. Okay, access is given or not, sheet is enough or not, and also like all the things are okay or not. Okay, so basically you have to give this extra activity heading, or otherwise you can add sub page here. Okay, and do whatever you want. Okay, and just put the spreadsheet here, first thing. Okay, and the second thing is let me let me open this. Okay, so uh, what I can see, what I can see from this data, what I can analyze from this data, I can do that thing. Okay, so like basically this is a gaming common knowledge that SNG SNGs are low in damage range, but in close range combat SNGs are good. Okay, assault rifles are basically for long range, and close range they are good. Okay, snipers are not mobile. Okay, their mobility is not that good. Okay, and it is long range area, but if you know how to use it in close range, you can annihilate from that also. So basically these are like some basic observations, but you can some analyze some things, and play with the data, and like you can basically analyze something and just put it in your site section. Okay, so there is a sheet, and let me add a text box, and let me add some analysis. Okay, and I will put my observations from my data here. Okay, so I will show you guys. Okay, so here is a spreadsheet, and here are my observations. Okay, so like basically I can put histograms also. I will show how to put it. but let me just show you this. Okay. So yes, average damage of an assault rifle and SMG are close. So game is balanced with good damage rifles and SMGs. Okay, like average damage of both are good, but range was not good. Okay, data also says that if your gameplay is like cross mapping, then assault rifles provide good ranges, and as compared to SMGs, obviously, and SMGs have good fire rate also as compared to assault rifles. Okay, obviously SMGs with good fire rates. Okay, so it was a data from Call of Duty Mobile. Okay, and here is some photo. As I said, you can insert here images. Okay, and you can just insert a photo here and graph. It is your choice. If you want to make things more presentable, you can basically graphs and all, put graphs and all, and also all the things. Okay, so let me show how to put graphs. Okay, so insert.
Yep, yep. How to show, मतलब how to put graph will be more beneficial.
Sorry,
मतलब ग्राफ पुट करना बता दोगे तो थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा सबको.
like कहाँ पुट करना है ऐसे ग्राफ.
यस यस.
हाँ मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so basically you will have to if you want, then you can and you can insert a graph. It will look more attractive, and after that extra activity 2 will be ended. Okay, there is a dead end of extra activity 2, and you will get your marks if you will do this. Okay, so let me go to the final thing. How can you insert? Okay, so there is an insert thing here. Okay, and let me just add a chart. So there is a chart and there is a chart editor, histogram, scatter chart. Okay, and this and this and this. Okay, basically you can resize this thing and you can make it small. You can shift it anywhere you want, and just make make this thing exist in your sheets. Okay, I will tell how you can put this thing solo in here. Okay, uh, I will tell you this, but just make this thing exist. Just make your modifications and do this thing. Okay, like setup, customize line chart. So basically histogram is good. Histogram of whatever you want to put you can put, and basically here is a histogram. So I said you how can you customize this. Okay, you can do lot of customization in this. Okay, as you study stats 1, um, they taught all the things. Okay, but basically I am giving you an overview so you can work on things well, and it is enough. Okay, if you will put graph, it is enough, and you can obviously it is your choice basically. If you will not put, it is not compulsory, but in order to like get your marks from your batchmates, it is good that you make things look more attractive. Okay, so here is the sheet. Okay, so basically let me go to insert. Okay, and let me go to charts here. Okay, you will go to insert, you will go to charts, and it will show all the charts that are in there in the sheets. So basically, I told you, no, like make this thing exist in your sheet. So like basically, एक अगर शीट में होगी तो वहां से सीधा एक्सट्रैक्ट कर पाएंगे हम चार्ट को. ओके, and you can just extract it from the sheet, and like see, uh, if you will not notice, here is the chart option. You can go here and you can basically select this column, and it will automatically add. So which one would you want to add? Like this one was my previous one, and this one is the current one which you made. So let's select this and add. Okay. So here is our graph. Okay. You can put some customizations. and you can customize the graph, you can customize the data, you can play with data. But basically, the thing is, week two activity tells you what? Week two activity only tells you that data should exist. It should be enough. Data should be enough. Okay. And also, data should contain 100 rows and 5 columns. Okay. And basically, you have to do these things. So here is my uh, graph. And if I want, I will put some text. Here is uh, analysis ABC. Okay. Okay. So extra activity 2 ends here. Okay.
Sir, is it necessary to have five columns, or you can have more than five columns?
Yes, you can have more than, but minimum of 5 rows. Sorry, 100 rows and 5 columns should be maintained. Like you can have more than 100 rows also. You can have more than 5 columns also. But minimum is 5 columns and 100 rows. Okay.
Is it
So
necessary
basically,
to
what you
insert
do?
graph?
No, no, no. It is your choice. It is your choice to
Okay.
look it more presentable, but it is a suggestion from my side. Okay. You should attach the graph. Okay. And it will make things more presentable, and you can collect some. As I said, 25 marks are there, so 10 marks you will get from here, and other 15 marks is best case scenario you will get. Okay, so 25 marks are total. You can get only by just correcting assignments, like correctly submitting assignments and all. Okay, so it can boost up
Okay,
your
sir.
grade.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Okay, so most important thing, whenever you will update the site, okay, it will not it will contain old one. Once you will publish, okay, it will show that this is the old one, this is a draft, and this is the current one. Okay, these are the changes I made, these are the things done and I did. So I will just publish. I will tap publish. Okay, and it will get updated. Okay, like this, you can organize things like this, like week zero activity one, week zero activity two. There is a spreadsheet. You can put some title in there. There is a spreadsheet link. You can put link also. Okay, you can just copy paste the link also. It is good that you select emd and you insert it in this way. Okay, so decay. But if you want, you can just paste it here. Sheet link. Here is the sheet link for the data. Basically, Control V and you are done. Okay, and manage the access as I said. Okay, and you are done with your extra activity one and extra activity two. Okay, so basically the thing is, guys,
Which link we have to paste in the activity, like on the portal? The link in the top of the
your
screen.
voice is not
That
your voice is not good. No, just type it in the chat box.
okay, so just wait.
Okay, so just a second, guys.
Can you hear my voice now? Hello.
अभी भी गंदा है वॉइस बहुत.
Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया.
Okay, so these are the things you have to do for extra activity 1 and extra activity 2. Okay, so basically uh, you have to do this. So Sanjeev, just put a question in chat box. Okay, the voice is charging basically, and we can't hear you properly. So things are done.
So I'm trying. My question was just that which link I have to paste on the dashboard.
Just, just chat, chat. Copy. Not that chat. Okay. Yes, I will explain something about extra activity 3, 4, 5 also. Okay.
It is not something you will understand without Python. So I don't know like how much of you guys have Python, how much of you guys completed Python. Okay, so basically the thing is you have to, okay, which link I have to paste it on dashboard. Okay, so in the question section, it is clearly mentioned that what link you have to put. Okay, so basically they will say in first activity you have to put your site link. So as I said, you will have to publish. Okay, and you are able to publish, and you will get a link like this. And basically home link should be published in week one activity. Okay, they will clearly say like what section they want. Okay, they will clearly say that we want statistics two section, we want extra activity section, like see they have made some this type of sections. So if they tell me that you have to put statistics 2 section link, so I will copy this section link. Okay, and I will paste it in the section given here. I've already submitted, otherwise मैं बताता, but okay, this is the thing. Okay, so basically let me give a quick recap. Okay, extra activity 1 and 2, because it is the most concentrated, as you have the deadlines on 4th of October. So basically you have to make student portfolio. As I said, go to Google Sites. Okay, select student portfolio option. Okay, change your name here, change images here, play with this, give your introduction, make your make a page using these pages, make a sub page of home, give name stats2, and give a brief information about stats2. Okay, and you are done with week activity, week one activity. Okay, so basically week two activity, what is it? Just you have to paste your spreadsheet, and you have to analyze the data, and write some conclusions basically. Okay, so let me show mine once, and that. So there is it is the home page. Okay, so here is the home page. It is my learning journey. This is my name, date of birth, and blah blah blah. And statistics 2 section is this. Here is some introduction. Here is some introduction of sir, and here is some extra activities too also. Okay, and okay, and here is some analysis and the histogram. Okay, and M thing. Let me do once more. Okay, here is if you will insert, and you will go to end. You will just paste what you want to insert. Okay, I want to insert this spreadsheet, so I will copy this link. Okay, just a second. Okay, so with this site, let me reload this. Okay, uh, control C, control V, and I will just insert it from here. Okay, and if you want to insert a histogram, so basically you have to make a graph from here, insert chart. Okay, and you have to you will tap on chart, uh, you will get a histogram. Okay, just move it somewhere on the right side or left side, or another section of the sheet. As I do, I added some things. Okay, yes, I've made a separate section of this graph, and I've shifted it to this section. Okay, so basically you have to just go to charts here, and you have to select which file was that. Okay, Call of Duty. So, and which graph I want to add. 1 2 3. Okay, add one. Okay, basically, and write some conclusions, and whatever you want to say and all, and you're done. And as I said, if you want data, go to this website called Kaggle, and you will get data. Okay, CSV file. Remember one thing, it should be in CSV file. Okay, and you're done. Okay, so basically these are the activities you have to do for 1 and 2. Okay, and just give me a second. I will give a brief intro about week 3 and 4 also.
सर एक्चुअली एक
एक्सक्यूज मी।
डाउट है। उसमें जो एक्टिविटी 2 था उसमें लास्ट पॉइंट था वो एक मेक सम कोलैब।
वो एक्टिविटी 2 नहीं है, इट इज एक्टिविटी 3 बेसिकली. सो let me show you once. Okay, uh, it's taking time. Okay, it is activity 3 basically. So deadlines are for this sections: X activity 1, X activity 2, 3. Deadline will not be 4th of October, I'm assuming. You will have to upload it in the other day. Okay, some other day.
Sir, extra activity 3 and 4 is not showing in my dashboard.
Yes, it will not show because it will appear. Okay, उन्होंने launch नहीं
लेटर
किया है
इन
अभी तक ना.
अपकमिंग वीक।
वो
Uh,
launch in
and the
upcoming
and the submission date is on 6th of October.
Oh
6th
no.
of October.
Yes, sir.
या
हाँ,
फॉर 1 and 2।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
then you have time till 6th of October. Okay.
For one and
Okay, sir.
two.
Sir,
1 and 2.
Yeah,
I
not
just
third
want
up.
to do one thing. Uh, uh, in activity 2, so we have to submit the link of which part, the sub
Which
part of
part?
the
As in
portfolio.
they've said no, like put the link of statistics 2 or something. Like in the
Yeah, yeah.
question, I don't have question. If you will go here now, just read it
Mm-hmm.
thoroughly. Okay, it will mention what section they want. Okay,
Okay.
and just copy that link and basically
Mm-hmm.
put that link in that. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so
Okay.
let me give a hope, guys, you understood the week 1 and 2, basically all
Mm-hmm.
the activities of week 1 and 2. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
give reactions or if you have understood all the things.
Sir,
Okay,
we
uh,
can do the other activities like adding the sub page on that portfolio page only, and then submitting only the links of that particular activity.
you can do it in advance, but if you have time you can do it in advance. And you know, for some of you, you have stats 2 and python together. ओके, किसी किसी ने अगर बहुत ज़्यादा वो है, क्लेवर है और उन्होंने चार चार सब्जेक्ट साथ में ले लिए, वैसे भी है. सो पाइथन किन्होंने कंप्लीट किया है, किन्होंने नहीं किया है. सो आई विल सजेस्ट टू डू इफ पॉसिबल. अगर आता है तो कर लो, नहीं तो फिर
नहीं,
जस्ट वेट फॉर सम
मैं
टाइम.
वाला बात था
ओके.
कि वो जो बाकी जब असाइनमेंट देंगे लाइक एक्टिविटी एक्टिविटी 3 4 5 जो भी रहेगा वो हम सब पेज ऐड करके लाइक कर सकते हैं इन द
हाँ
सेम
हाँ
पोर्टफोलियो
हाँ
पे.
हाँ. Same here you can just add. Okay, so basically I am going to this. So okay, so I am assuming that all the queries related this are clear, week 1 and 2. Okay, all the things of the, like, of the future I will tell you. Okay, basically it is not the session of all the 6 activities. Okay, it is focused on your clearing your queries related 1 and 2. Okay, we will think about some other sessions in future we will organize. Okay, just like this 1 and 1.5 an hour session, I will explain all the things, what you have to do, what you not have to do, and you will do all the things accordingly. Okay, like it is a suggestion. Okay, if you do as suggested, uh, like it is a 85 to 90% guarantee that students will give you full marks. Like
and
it depends sometimes, but
and
almost.
on that activity too, that the on that box we have to just add the link of that second subpage, right?
What subject? Yes, they've told no. Like I say, I mentioned same thing. Just read it thoroughly in this section. If you, I have submitted already, so I am seeing something like this. But there is a question here. There is a blank space, right? Above that, Just read
Yeah,
it thoroughly.
I was scrolling.
They will basically tell you that what section they want. If they want, like I told you na, if they want home page, paste this link, okay, sorry, this link,
Okay, okay,
okay.
okay. Yeah, I
If
understand.
it is
Yeah.
statistics 2 page, just copy this link, okay. Okay.
Yes.
So like just copy paste this link, and yes, one more tip. Okay. If you want to submit the link early, you can always edit site. Okay. Once you will publish, just as I said, if you will make updates, just publish. Okay. Others can see your updated sites only. If you will if I am done with text activities today, so I will just copy paste the link that, and उसको मैं ऐसे ही रहने दूंगा. Okay, because I submitted already, and I will make changes. Okay, I can make changes, I can publish, and I can do all the things after submitting also. Okay, so you can submit. Okay, so because just do not forget to submit near the deadline, so just submit here, and submit early, and just make changes accordingly. Okay, and so yes, so okay, so let me just give you a brief intro. Okay, this session is mainly concentrated on the week 1 and 2, but just give me a brief. Okay, so week three
Sorry
is
to interrupt. Can we get recording of for this session because
okay.
I was not able to join?
This session is being recorded. It will be posted on Corbett House official YouTube channel. Okay, or otherwise we will provide you the link of this session. Okay, so
Great.
you can join this, and you can watch this later. So um, okay, extra activity 3. So extra activity 3 is basically I am just going giving short informations, because
दर्शन भाई हेलो हेलो
हाँ हाँ भाई
हाँ
सुमित भाई.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट बट 1 घंटे से ज्यादा हो गए
हाँ
हाँ
तो
हाँ
हमें
हाँ,
रैप अप
तो
करना चाहिए लाइक
हाँ तो
मतलब
खत्म
3
करते हैं
का
फटाफट.
हुए ना क्योंकि अच्छा किसने सेशन रिकॉर्ड किया है
हाँ
प्रियांशु
हाँ हाँ क्या
Okay, so
तो
guys, basically, I will give you detailed information or something in the next future sessions or and all. Okay, hope your queries related week 1 and 2 are clear. Okay, and just all the best. Put that link. We will organize some session in future, and we will basically give you some information. Okay, so thank you so much for joining.